Hi, welcome to my video on the system of linear equations with two variables. Check if a point is a solution of the system of linear equations. Is the point a solution to the system? With two linear equations, the coordinates of the point had to be checked with both equations. It is possible with an error in solving the equations, the point might be true for one equation, but not true for the other equation. An example, is 1,4 a solution of 3x plus y equals 7 and 2x plus y equals negative 6? That's the solution for both of them. So 3x plus y equals 7, and x is 1, y is 4. So we're going to sub the 1 in for x and the 4 in for y and work it out. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4. We have to multiply first. Remember PEMDAS, 7 equals 7. So it's true for the first equation. Let's check to see if it's true for the second one. So x is 1, so we put 1 in place of x. Y is 4. And we have to multiply before we add, so 2 plus 4 equals negative 6. 6 equals negative 6. No, not true. So therefore it's true for one, but not for the other. So is it a solution to the system? No, because it has to satisfy both equations. Check both equations. If true for both, then the point is a solution to the system. Again, is 2, 1 a solution of this system? And put a question mark. So let's write down the first equation. 4x minus 3y equals 5. X is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. Sub it in. And we have to multiply these two. Remember, we were dealing with PEMDAS. We have nothing inside the brackets to do. We have no exponents, so we have to multiply these two before we subtract. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And that's a negative. So we could have said negative 3 times 1 if you want. 5 equals 5. So that means that the point is a solution to this equation. That means, again, the point lies on this line. So let's check the other equation now. So we write the equation down. And we put in x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. And again with PEMDAS, PEMDAS, I like keep writing it down. Nothing inside to simplify, no exponents. So we have to multiply this one and this one before we can add. So negative 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. And negative 4. And again, we just got a 2 and 1. So it's not a solution. So 8 equals negative 4. Nope. We have to check both. No, it's not true. So it's no, it's not a solution. We say no or not, but it's all the same. So just to make sure, 8 and 3 is 5. Negative, negative 6. Negative 6. Notice I went back and checked my workings. Negative 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. That gives me a negative 4. So negative 4 equals negative 4. So that means yes. So yes, it checked with both equations and is true. Always check your workings. Again, you can make a very simple error. Very simple error when you're checking things out. So be careful. Just be careful. And I knew I had probably a no here. And probably wouldn't have two no's back to back, so I check my workings, and again I make a mistake and I'm talking. And we have practice. Practice means pause the video and work out if these are true. Is negative 3, 2 a solution of this system? So you write down the equation and you sub in x is at negative 3, so it's x and then y. So x is negative 3, y is 2, and I didn't finish that sentence, so 2x plus 4y equals 2, right? And y is 2. So we multiply these two first, so it's negative 6 plus 8. 2 equals 2. Negative 6 plus 8 is 2. Yes. So we write down the second equation, negative x plus 3y equals 9. And x is negative 3, so it's the negative of a negative 3. Y is 2. Negative times a negative is positive, so it's 3. 3 times, that we could treat that as a 1 if we want, so we can multiply. So we multiply these two to get 6. We multiply these two to get 3. That's a 9 equals 9, true. So it makes both equations true. Is this a solution? Yes, because it made both equations true. Is 0, 4 a solution of this system? Again, to write down both equations. Okay, and x is 0, as you can see, and y is 4. So x is 0 and y is 4. Sub it in the equation. X's, that's your x and that's your y. So we multiply these two first. So negative 5 times 0 is 0. Negative 2 times 8 is negative 8. 8 subtract 0 subtract 8 is negative 8 equals negative 8. True. And we write down the second equation, 3x plus 6y minus 20 equals 0. So x is 0, y is 4, and we multiply PEMDAS, and again, P-E-M, or BEDMAS, whatever one you want. There's no brackets to simplify, there's no exponents. We have to multiply and divide left to right. So 3 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 20. And 24 minus 24 equals 0. No. So it's not a solution. No, it's not a solution. And we have the third one. Is 4 negative 2 a solution to this system? Write down the first equation, which is negative 3x minus 4y equals negative 4. X and y. X is negative 4. Sorry, x is 4 again. Y is negative 2. So I have 4 in the place of x. I have negative 2 in the place of y, working it out. I have to multiply these two before I subtract or add. So that's a negative 12 when you multiply. That's a positive 8 when you multiply. Negative 4, negative 12, and 8 is negative 4, negative 4, true. And we write down the second equation to see if it's a solution. And x is 4, so we put 4 in the place of x. Y is negative 2. Put negative 2 in the place of y in the brackets. And we got to multiply before we subtract or add. 16 plus negative 3 times negative 2 is 6. 6 and 6 is 22 equals 22. So it made this equation true. It made this equation true. Is it a solution? Yes, because it made both equations true. And that's just checking to see if your answers are right by subbing it back in, because you can make an error when you're solving. I make an error that when I just manipulate, I got to be careful. If you like my video, click the like button, the subscribe button, and notification bell. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content that's on my YouTube channel. Check my channel out. Thank you very much for viewing my video. Bye-bye.